Woman that led police on a high-speed chase, fined and her license suspended. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Nicole Williams, the woman who led the police on a high-speed chase across the corporate area in April, was fined a total of $27,000 and her license suspended for a year. Williams, who returned to the Kingston and St. Andrew Traffic Court earlier this week, was charged on April 30 with several breaches of the Road Traffic Act and resisting arrest. She pleaded guilty to the offense of dangerous driving and was fined $20,000 or 30 days, plus 14 points deducted from her license. Williams also pleaded guilty to the offense of failing to stop at the request of a constable and was fined $2,000 or 30 days behind bars. On the count of disobeying a traffic sign, she pleaded guilty and was fined $5,000 or 30 days behind bars plus 2 points deducted from her license. The Crown withdrew the charge of disobeying a police signal. With a total of 16 points deducted from her license, it was suspended for 12 months by the judge. Williams can apply to the court for a discretionary reinstatement of the license after 6 months. In a viral video posted online, Ms. Williams could be seen leading the police on a high-speed chase in the corporate area.
License plate number 4051 Hotel Zulu. The black Mazda refusing to stop. Did you hear this? Did you hear this? She's that. Right, police emergency and all units on the run. And public order is on pursuit of a black Mazda motor car 4051 Hotel Zulu. Disobey the stop sign and the police come on. Now along Chisholm Avenue heading out to Maxwell Avenue. Trying to elude the police, driving recklessly. Going on to Maxfield now from Chisholm. Went back on Chisholm from Maxfield, went into the plaza, U-turn. She's having us round in the plaza. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move! Don't move! Don't move, don't move, don't move! Come out of the vehicle! 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 Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Come out of the vehicle! What the plaza name? The plaza name? What the plaza your name, Elda? What? What plaza?
Johnson Plaza.
Johnson?
Yeah. And in here, along with 4 other rounds here. We really have been in the Auburn Town area, Bedward Drive, where we had triple murder. We're going to revisit that too, yeah.
Beg your pardon. Right, police emergency. Public order is currently at Johnson's Plaza, Maxfield Avenue. The person tried to elude us, went to the plaza. She was blocked by a civilian and boxed in by the civilian and the service vehicle. The woman reversed into the service vehicle, causing damages. She is refusing to come out of the vehicle right now. We're currently at Johnson's Plaza.
Johnson Plaza. Noted.
You know, come out. She now, come out. She plans to come out. Oh, come out of the vehicle. Come out of the vehicle. Reverse in our public, in our service vehicle. So you know you're right. You're sick in the head. Yo, have it on video. What the plaza name? The plaza name? What the plaza your name, Elda? What? What plaza?
Johnson Plaza.
Johnson?
Yeah.
I've been here, along with 4 other rounds here. We're heading up into the Albertown area, Bedward Drive, where we had a triple murder. We're going to revisit that scene here.
Beg your pardon there. Right police emergency. Public order is currently at Johnson's Plaza, Maxfield Avenue. The person tried to elude us, went to the plaza. She was blocked by a civilian and boxed in by the civilian and the service vehicle. The woman reversed into the service vehicle causing damages. She is refusing to come out of the vehicle right now. We're currently at Johnson's Plaza.
Johnson Plaza. Noted.
You know, come out. She now, come out. She plans to come out. Oh, come out of the vehicle. Come out of the vehicle. Reverse in our public, in our service vehicle. So you know you're right. You're sick in the head. Yo, have it on video. You're not coming. Miss, come out of the vehicle. Exit the vehicle, miss. Miss, come out of the vehicle. Exit the vehicle, miss. Miss, exit the motor vehicle. Miss, exit the motor vehicle. Hello, miss. Exit the motor vehicle.
Yo, it's the first place to start. What?
Boy, you give her it already, you know?
She'll get more. Trying to get more.
Exit the motor vehicle, miss.
Miss, come out of the vehicle.
Miss, exit the motor vehicle. Yeah, she alone.
Right? Come on, vehicle. Right? No, me turn. Right? And this man was telling me to make a run.
Who's that?
This big turn at the second lane.
Hey, come here.
Where am I coming from now? I'm coming from my job now.
Take your information. Give me driving to her because she's reversing the vehicle. Take your information.
I'm from working now.
Let me drive back there. And give me my phone number.
You look like say you come and work with bigger people.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, from me to tell me that's what he has been doing. Huh?
Them are mad, brother. Hello, miss. It's on video when you.
Williams, a warehouse manager, had on the first court appearance expressed remorse for her action, which was captured on video which went viral on social media. Meanwhile, regarding the resisting arrest charge, Williams pleaded guilty before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on June the 7th and paid a fine of $2,000. Williams was represented by attorney at law Deborah Martin. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.